How will you keep warm and snuggly when you hibernate this winter? We have you more than covered to keep you comfortable in the cold weather. We're reviewing 5 products to keep you cozy this winter. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. First up is something that'll prevent that neck crank. It's the Hoodie Infinity Pillow. Whether you're taking a long trip in the car or looking to catch that red eye to see family during the holidays, there's one thing for certain. At some point, you're going to nod off. So best to prepare accordingly. This handy everything pillow has no less than 6 configurations that has you covered for any position. The best part? It takes up almost no room in your backpack. So this product is actually super comfy. Droolers need not despair. It's also machine washable. The only downside here is the aesthetic. Expect a few curious glances being sent your way. We're going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. Okay, so we have your neck covered, but what about some love for your bottle of water or steaming hot cup of joe? The Cozy Deluxe pillow is perfect for the back seat of your car to prevent the kids from knocking over their beverages during a road trip, or park it on the couch to double as a food tray and remote control holder. This is the weirdest product you never knew you needed. Take it everywhere you go. And after a few snacks, it also doubles as a pillow, so you can lay your head down to sleep. We love that we can just use one of these instead of a bunch of drink coolers. Also, bonus points for the perfect backseat nap pillow. We give it a decent 7 out of 10. Although a blatant knockoff of the Hoodie, the blanket hoodie sweatshirt is a great way to keep warm on the couch this winter. It's crazy warm, and the material is safe to wash in the machine without fear of piling or fading. Plus, it has cool pockets. It comes in 2 sizes, a 5'8" and a 6'2", as well as a dozen different colors. And it fits your body properly. Way better than a throw blanket. Now, sometimes you do get what you pay for. Though the design is every bit as good as the original, some of the stitching appeared a little crooked in places. Despite that, you're still getting good value for the money. We give it a fair 6 out of 10. Shyla Bowl Huggers. Seuss name, Serious Warming. Given temperatures are about to fall, it seems crazy to put hot food on a cold table or bench. The solution? A pair of socks for your dinner. Suiting bowls up to 6.5 inches in diameter and coming in a range of vibrant colors, these little beauties are a great life hack to keep your food warm. Now, this isn't a product you throw in the back of your closet during the warmer months either. The insulation on this thing works both ways, so no cold hands when you're eating ice cream either. These work exactly as advertised. What more can we say? They're great. The only way they'd get full marks is if they played Christmas carols while you eat. We give them an impressive 9 out of 10. If you're familiar with our channel, then you know we aren't going to leave our furry friends out in the cold. The Pawology Ultra Calming Cuddler Plush Donut Bed means that Mittens the kitten and Silver the Wonder Dog stay warm in the coming cold weather. They come in 3 different sizes: large, extra large, and extra extra large. The large is 23 inches in diameter and is best suited for your feline friends and small dogs up to 25 pounds. The extra large is 30 inches and will suit pups up to 45 pounds. The extra extra large is 36 inches across and can accommodate heftier breeds, up to 100 pounds. The material is breathable and incredibly soft. The anti-slide silicone layer on the bottom helps it stay in one place, especially on tiled or hardwood floors. And the best part, you can throw the whole thing in the washing machine once it starts to smell. Silver knew exactly what was in the box and was laying in his new bed snoozing within half a minute of the unboxing. We give it a stellar 10 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on any one of these products? You can either follow our purchase links that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and buy them yourself. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win all of them for free. That's right, one lucky subscriber is walking away with this cornucopia of cozy products. And the rules? Well, they couldn't be any simpler. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's review. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.